Hello students, let's continue the Tiny Teacher second part. The queen ant has a pair of wings which she casts off before she begins to lay eggs. Cast off here, get rid of. Before begins to lay the eggs, these wings get rid of. Eggs hatch and becomes grubs. Grubs change into cocoons, and cocoons break to bring forth complete ants. So here the life cycle of the ant is the eggs, then the grubs, cocoons, and then ant. The life of an ordinary ant in the ant hill is a book which many of them seldom open. Means rarely we open this story of life of an ordinary ant in the ant hill. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. In the ant's life, the queen is the mother. It lives about 15 years. This mother queen of an ant lives for 15 years. It has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet the male ant or drone. After the wedding flight, to meet the drone high up in the air. On its return to the earth, it gets rid of the wings and then does nothing but it lays eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. After the egg hatch, grubs come out. Soldiers guard them. Soldier ant guards them. Workers feed and clean them. Work ants are feed and clean them, and also carry them about daily for airing for exercise and for sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons. After the egg, the grubs will come out. After 3 weeks, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks. Without food and any other activity, it lies for 3 more weeks. Then the cocoons break and perfect ant appear. Now it's the time for teaching and training. After it appears to the perfect ant, it's a time for teaching and training. New ants learn their duties. These hatched new ants learn their duties from the old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out into the big world to the work. After a few weeks of training from the workers, soldiers, and builders and the cleaners, these small ants are ready to go out into the big world for the work. An ant hill is a home not only for the ants. This ant hill is a home for not only for the ants but also for some other creatures, beetles, lesser breeds, and ants and greenfly. Here beetle you could see. These ant hills are the home for the beetles and greenflies. These are the home for the also greenflies. Why do ants want these aliens creatures? ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ creatures ಇವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾಕಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ to live in their nest for several reasons. These ants allow them to live in their ant hills because for the several reasons. Some give off smell pleasant to the ant cells. ಅವರ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. The ants give them shelter. These ants give them shelter because they get sweet juices and pleasant smell from them. Others give sweet juices and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs to human beings. These creatures, they like to be in the ant hill to play like cats and dogs. We play with the cats and dogs, no? Like that they want to play with those creatures. ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೌ. ನಮಗೆ ಆಕಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೌ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕೌ ಥರ. ದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಹನಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್. ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಹನಿ ಡ್ಯೂ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ with a touch of their antenna. They milk it just as we milk to the cow. Have humans learned as ants have? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. They have still learned a few things from this tiny teacher. From what we have to learn from this tiny teacher is, we the human being, the hard work, the sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all a firm loyalty to the land where they live. We have to learn cleanliness, discipline, loyalty, sense of duty, hard work from this tiny teacher ant.